Hey everyone, this is Ben, One Piece Products. I'm just going to go over our One Piece install for a 67 to 72 One Piece door glass conversion kit without the filler plate in the front. We're going to be doing a full power window upgrade with a clear set of One Piece windows. We're going to go over some of the details of what needs to happen on the install process of this kit. One of the processes that need to happen is you will have to modify the check link in the door, which is right here. It's provided in the kit. You will have to drill a hole for the vertical guide, which is right here. You will have to eliminate the original doorstop for the door here and also modify the inside reinforcement patch of the door that's right under the top hinge. We'll show you along the process as we're doing the install. We're going to be providing, obviously, the kit comes with the run channels, the scrapers, the guide rails, all the components necessary for the conversion. As you can tell, these scrapers are already pre-clipped. They already have the 1/4 inch stainless steel on the edge, as you can see. And then also, if you want to provide the manual regulator assemblies, this kit will bolt onto the manual kit. This is the power version. We are going to be using the crank style, the New Relics power window switches from New Relics, and their power window units. It's going to come also with the door stop that we were just talking about right now. These are the door stops that are going to bolt onto your hinge assembly. Front vertical guide for the kit with the built-in adjustable door stop for leveling the glass to the top of the scraper. This is the horizontal channel for the kit that attaches the glass to the regulator. It will also come with a set of run channels that go around the perimeter of the glass. The glass itself has the 3 brackets attached to them. 2 for the regulator, 1 for the vertical guide. As you can tell, this is for the vertical guide. Basically, slides right in. This is the vertical guide for the kit. And this one is the horizontal channel that attaches the glass to the regulator. Once the regulator is in place, it crosses here. 2 rollers slide back and forth. And this is the guide for the front. So it eliminates the guides for the rear and the front by using a roller setup assembly that is fully adjustable once it's tightened down. Yeah, I think from there. What's up, everyone? This is Ben, One Piece Products. Just wanted to show you the final product of our full-size One Piece door glass kit with the power upgrade on a Valentin's 1970 Chevy C10. I'm just going to show you a brief overview of what we did for the modifications on this kit. In order to achieve a full glass setup with the New Relics power window crank handle switches and their New Relics regulators, the motor sits at the bottom of the door. They're not your typical New Relics power window unit. They're specially made for the One Piece windows. We eliminate the original door stop at the bottom of the door, so the original door stop is gone. Our kit has a door stop at the bottom to stop the window from going all the way down. If you notice, when you go all the way down, the window goes down all the way below the scraper line, and it's being stopped by the stop in our built-in our vertical guide. You will have to modify the door stop. That's the original door check. Bolt on the new one that we provide. We also ran the wiring through the reinforcement patch. The gap that you run here, there's a hole. You just open up the hole a little bit more and run the wires through so it's out of the way. We did modify the latch assembly in the back, the little modifications that's in the instructions, and then also the reinforcement patch you have to remove a little bit of the sheet metal to get the glass to go up and down. As you can tell, the glass goes all the way up, seals up, no gaps all the way around. The scrapers themselves, when you put them in, before you put the scrapers in, there's usually small gaps on the corners, but they're fully covered once these scrapers are in. Thank you for coming to our website and also visiting us, our YouTube page, also our Instagram account. If you have any questions on the install process, you can call me or email us at info@onepieceproducts.com, or simply just give us a ring at 562-944-1332. Thanks again. Have a good day.